Good morning, everyone. It's basically the calm before the storm. 2 days out, we are looking at another weekend winter snowstorm. We'll have the details for you in just a minute. But first, let's take a look at your weather headlines for today. We're going to see another cold and blustery day today as temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s with a strong northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour, making it feeling much colder into the teens. And then we're going to be watching all eyes to the coast again for a major winter storm developing this weekend, with a few changes from the forecast that I had last night. And it looks like we will be into a brief drying trend going into early next week, just for a day on Monday, because models show a very active pattern going into the rest of the end of February, with storms every several days, and it looks like another storm could be affecting us on Tuesday. So that's a little bit far out, but I just want to let you know that it is an active pattern that we're in. Today, though, we're going to remain blustery with temperatures in the 30s, cold dome of high pressure over our region, keeping us a mixture of clouds and sunshine. We're still in the flow from the low pressure system that has pushed off this weather map. We're still in a counterclockwise flow, so we're going to see a mixture of clouds and sunshine today. Some snow flurries up north. The warmer weather and sunnier weather remains down to the south, but as you see on our futurecast today, there's that anticyclonic flow clearing out overnight tonight. We will be seeing some snow showers, ocean effect along the Cape overnight tonight into early tomorrow. Clouds then will start to increase later on Friday, and then definitely on Saturday. Here's the leading edge of the storm. You can see the thicker white clouds right here, and some precipitation is holding off. I don't expect any snow and or precipitation to enter the region until after 3 o'clock on eastern Massachusetts on Saturday afternoon. So you're set up for this weekend. We're going to be seeing one storm system weakening going through the Great Lakes system, energy being transferred to a developing secondary storm just off the Delmarva Peninsula. It's going to be strengthening once again as it moves east-northeast, just southeast of New England, and right now in southern New England up all the way into northern New England, and I even think eastern Maine will be into the white strong area of heavy potential of some heavy snowfall. It does look like we will be seeing some warmer air moving off the ocean as winds will be out of the east to start, and we don't have a strong high pressure system as we did in our prior system to keep the winds out of the northeast and keep us colder at the start. So I do believe that areas shading in purple will start as a mixture of rain, or even start as rain, definitely along the south coast, Cape Cod and the islands. Areas along the eastern seaboard will start as a rain-snow mix, and then quickly change over to snow, so that Boston will still get into some of the accumulating snowfall, and those heaviest snowfall amounts will be inland areas where it remains all snow. So with that said, my first guess right now at our forecast for snowfall on Saturday afternoon to Sunday is showing a wide area of 9 to 12 inches of snow. Inland areas, basically in the Billerica to areas, should be about 9, 10, 11 inches of snow as I see it right now. Boston, with some mixing going on, we'll see 6 to 9 inches all the way up into the North Shore, and the rain snow line will be teetering between 495 and 95 to start. So that's why this area is still in the up in the air as to how much snowfall will be falling. And then as you head down toward the south, it gets less and less because more rain will be falling before it changes over to snow. And all the way down on Nantucket right now, it looks like they'll just be getting a slushy coating, and then that'll be washed away with some rainfall. So with that in mind, let's take a look at your daily planner for today. It's looking like this. It's another windy day today. Winds will be gusting out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And towards the evening hours and then overnight tonight, we're going to start to see partially clearing skies. Another cold night with winds diminishing, temperatures in the lower 20s inland, middle 20s along the coast, winds dying down to between 5 and 15 miles an hour. Forecast now for Friday, the end of the work week, is looking very nice. It's going to be mostly sunny skies. We'll start to see some clouds in the afternoon, and it will feel very seasonable with light winds from the northwest switching to the northeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour, and temperatures in the upper 30s. And here on your 5-day forecast, you'll see it's a very active pattern this weekend, where we have cloudy skies on Saturday. Expect rain and snow to develop after 2, 3 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. continuing all the way into Sunday afternoon right now as snowfall in most areas as colder air gets wrapped in behind the system, and looks like precipitation should last to about noon to 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, with strong gusty northerly winds, temperatures dropping into the lower 30s. And then Monday we turned partly cloudy, and it turns seasonable with partly cloudy skies and temperatures near 40 before another storm system gives us a chance of some rain and or snow on Tuesday. So that's the latest from the BurkettWeather.com weather update. Stay tuned for further updates on weather maps, snowfall maps, and forecast maps at Facebook.com.